The integrated farming concept is faring well within the school environment as students get an overall agricultural experience. Horticulture students of Niue High School will benefit from this with a more holistic education on farming that will include agriculture and livestock care. In July, Niue High School received a hydroponics unit which was installed by the students and DAF staff. Now this week is an expansion from that project with an A-frame chicken pen constructed at the school, and they were also offered 8 layered chickens plus 1 month's worth of chicken feed. Each chicken is expected to lay 1 egg a day, and if all goes well, the whole project will be self-sustaining. We went up to Niue High School today, just in time for students clearing out the chicken pen and feeding the chickens. Some of them are so keen they aren't even in the horticulture class, but take their lunch break to help out with the hope that someday they can own their very own hydroponics or chicken pen. The final installation to complete the integrated farm will be a pig pen that will be constructed in the near future, and all of this is made possible with funding from FAO.